How to start intermittent fasting for beginners. Hello, I'm Dr. Jimmy Douglas. So you want to start intermittent fasting and might be familiar with so many intermittent fasting schedules. So where do you start? You must follow the one which meets your goal and which is sustainable, keeping in view your lifestyle and work schedule in consultation with your healthcare provider. The commonest among these is 16/8, which essentially means you would fast for 16 hours and eat during the 8-hour period. Your approximate daily schedule would look like, suppose you have the last meal of the day at 8 p.m. Remember, the fasting starts after the meal and you sleep at 11 p.m. We know that, and I've already discussed in previous videos, that your last meal should be at least 3 hours before you sleep. So on the next day, the first meal of the day would be at 12 noon. So your eating period would be between 12 noon and 8 p.m. We normally fast overnight, which is 8 or 9 hours, and by extending this duration for a few more hours by skipping breakfast, we end up in the 16/8 intermittent fasting. If skipping breakfast is difficult, then start with 12 and then slowly move up to 16 as and when your body gets adjusted to it. Why are we extending the duration of the overnight fasting for a few more hours? We are doing it to tap into the fat reserves for energy and to lose weight, while tapping into other benefits such as increased insulin sensitivity and increased metabolism, and the hormonal changes which happen during this is beneficial to overall well-being and longevity. As we have different work schedules and sleeping patterns, some methods may not be suitable. Talk to your healthcare provider to plan it, and more so if you have any pre-existing medical conditions such as diabetes. Remember to eat a balanced diet in your eating period and avoid processed food altogether, and be hydrated at all times. Other intermittent fasting schedules are 18/6. This involves fasting for 18 hours and eating during the 6-hour window period, also called the lean gains method, most used by people to lose weight and to improve body composition and strength. Intermittent fasting 14/10. This involves fasting for 14 hours and eating during a 10-hour period. This is for people who are new to fasting and it takes less effort. The other methods would be covered in different videos. Remember, it's all about taking small steps and finding what works for you. Intermittent fasting should not be painful or uncomfortable. If you feel weak or lightheaded, it is important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Keep yourselves well hydrated. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Watch your calorie intake during fasting periods. Stick with it, be consistent, and give time to see the benefits. Consult your doctor before starting. Let me know in the comments at what phase you are in your weight loss journey. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.